Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews on the latest in kitchenware. Today, we're diving into the Emile Henry Modern Bread Cloche, renowned for its exceptional quality and performance in baking. If you're a bread enthusiast like me, you'll want to pay close attention to this one. Let's get started. Imagine bringing the authentic flavors of a traditional French bakery right into your own kitchen. That's exactly what the Emile Henry Modern Bread Cloche promises. Made in France from high-resistance ceramic, this cloche isn't just a baking tool. It's a masterpiece designed to elevate your bread-making experience. What sets the Emile Henry Cloche apart? First, its ability to mimic the environment of a professional bread oven. The unique dome shape creates the ideal humidity and temperature conditions for baking. This means you'll achieve that coveted crispy crust and airy interior with every loaf. Made from all natural materials, this cloche is not only durable but also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The glaze and crisscross pattern ensure easy release of your bread without any sticking. Plus, when flipped over, the lid doubles as a handy mixing bowl for preparing your dough. Whether you're baking a classic sourdough, a rustic whole grain loaf, or experimenting with artisanal recipes, the Emile Henry Cloche supports it all. Its versatility extends beyond bread. Think stunning roasts, casseroles, and even desserts. It's a true kitchen workhorse. User-friendly features? Check. The Emile Henry Cloche scores top marks for sturdiness, ease of cleaning, and simplicity in operation. No need to be a professional baker to achieve professional results. This cloche does the heavy lifting for you. Emile Henry has a long-standing reputation for crafting premium ceramic bakeware since 1850. Their commitment to quality and innovation shines through in every piece they produce. When you invest in Emile Henry, you're investing in centuries of French culinary expertise. And there you have it, the Emile Henry Modern Bread Cloche, your gateway to artisan baking at home. Whether you're treating yourself or searching for the perfect gift for a fellow foodie, this cloche is a must-have. Check out the links in the description to get your hands on one today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest kitchen gadgets and beyond. Until next time, happy baking!